Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your data is app-ready. Make sure a table has a clear key, correct column types, and a few sample rows. Once done, open the Appsheet editor and choose the app you want to add a dashboard to. Next, go to the UX section and create individual views, detail, table, chart for the insights you need. Do this first so your dashboard can assemble meaningful components instead of empty placeholders. Now you actually build the dashboard. Add a dashboard view in UX and pick the views you prepared earlier. Arrange their order to guide attention. Charts first for summary, tables for detail. Set the dashboard columns and layout, single, two-column, or grid, depending on your content and screen ratio. Also enable interactive mode so selections in one view filter the others. Make sure to assign data slices or security filters when needed to keep views performant and relevant. Finish by saving and testing the dashboard on multiple devices, desktop, phone, and tablet to confirm layout and interactions. Once done, refine sync settings and data slices to balance freshness versus performance. Share the app and set user permissions so viewers see appropriate data. If things go wrong, slow loading or blank tiles, reduce the number of rows, limit included views, and narrow slices. This common
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.